I'm a filmmaker. In my years of visiting foreign cultures, I have learned that the simplest dishes often leave the deepest mark, a memory sharper than the most elaborate feast. Today, that truth takes form in cauliflower. Crisp edges, caramel shine, not a side act, but a star claiming its spotlight. In the beginning, the essential step forward. Firm cauliflower, fresh eggs, breadcrumbs, and fresh orange juice. 4 simple elements, each holding a key to texture, brightness, and bite. First, the cauliflower is broken into bite-sized florets. Not too large, not too small. If you cut them evenly, they'll bake together in harmony instead of upstaging one another. Meanwhile, eggs crack open and tumble into a bowl. A quick whisk, and they shimmer like liquid light, the glue that holds our crust in place. And now, a dusting of flour meets breadcrumbs. This mixture is our texture machine, designed to catch the heat and deliver crunch. Soon after, florets take their journey. Dipped in egg, rolled in crumbs, then laid on parchment. Keep your coating light but complete. Too thick and it clumps, too thin and it disappears. At this moment, garlic is grated fine and kissed by heat. It releases its perfume, sharp, sweet, and just dangerous enough. Next, citrus comes alive. Fresh orange squeezed to its last drop and bright as the morning sun, ready to cut through the richness. And while the sauce waits, the florets bake in hot air. Hear them crackle, cauliflower turning armor-plated, a symphony of crunch building note by note. In the next step, brown sugar dissolves into orange zest, soy, chili, ginger and vinegar. A low boil stirs these sharp voices into one single chorus. Soon after, fresh orange joins in, deepening the glaze with sweet acidity. The sauce thickens into velvet with purpose. Finally, a touch of cornstarch enters the scene. The sauce tightens, clinging to the spoon like a promise. And here, the moment of union. The golden florets are drenched in fiery citrus glaze, each piece coated, shining, and boldly standing out. A dish that crunches with every bite and softens into warmth at the table. I'm a filmmaker. Years of storytelling have shown me that it's not always the grand productions that endure, but the quiet, unassuming moments. Crispy baked cauliflower proves it. A humble idea turned unforgettable. Stay close. The next story is already waiting in my kitchen.